This is one of my songs that's been recorded the most, half a dozen times at least, by notable female singers. Kathy Mattea, Dolores Keane, wonderful singer. And this is 1982, up in when I lived in Freeport, Maine. Shade of this old tree in the summer of my dreams, by the tall grass, by the wild rose, where the trees dance till the wind blows. And as the days go oh so slowly, and the sun shines oh so wholly on the moon and gracious in the summer of my dreams, and by the banks of this old stream, in the summer of my dreams, by the deep pool where the fish wait for the old fool with a long blade, and there's a field of purple clover and a small cloud passing over, and then the rain comes washing in the summer of my dreams. You'll see the raindrops on the grass now, just like diamonds lying there by the old road where I pass now. There's a twilight on the air, and as the sun sets down before me, I see my true love waiting for me, standing by the back porch screen in the summer of my dream. And in the shade of this old tree, in the summer of my dreams, by the tall grass, by the wild rose, where the trees dance and the beans grow, and as the days go oh so slowly, and the sun shines oh so wholly on the good and gracious green, in the summer of my dreams, and as the days go oh so slowly,